morning students, all of you. Students, in previous lecture we completed the block test as well as block number 2. So students, in second block we study about the comparing 4-digit numbers. You know that the which number is present before the given number, how we identify the which number is present after the given number and which number is present between the two numbers. Students, in second lesson we study the comparing numbers, which means that which number is greater to the given number, which number is smaller than the given number and which number is or which two numbers are equal. Okay. In third lesson we study the ordering numbers, means that in ordering numbers we study about the ascending order and descending order. Ascending order means smallest to greatest. Ascending order means smallest to greatest, and descending order means greatest to smallest. Okay. And students, previous lecture ला आपण एक example ही पाहिलं होतं. So what is the difference between ascending order and descending order? Suppose these are the two chalks. So it is a longer, it is a shorter. So they stands to neighbor of each other. And students, this is a small chalk, this is a big chalk. So what is the ascending order? So ascending order means this is the first and this is the second. And in descending order, the order is this is the first and this is second. Descending means greatest to smallest. Ascending means smallest to greatest. Okay. So students, in fourth lesson we study about the word problems. Word problems always in all blocks. The fourth lesson is about the word problems. Okay. And this fourth lesson completely depends upon the lesson 1, lesson 2 and lesson number 3. So students, today we study about the block number 3. Our block name is numbers up to lakhs. Numbers up to lakhs. Okay. And lesson number 1, 4-digit numbers. Lesson number 1, 4-digit numbers. So students, in this lesson we study about the 4-digit numbers. So which are the 4 digits? Already we study in first and second block. And block number 3 is completely depends upon the block 1 and 2. So these 4 digit values or these 4 place values means that first is the ones, then tens, then hundreds and then thousands. These are the 4 place values. Which place values? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, from left to right or from right to left. Okay. जर मी अशी उभी राहिले तर राईट पासून लेफ्ट कोणकोणत्या प्लेस व्हॅल्यूज आहेत? द प्लेस व्हॅल्यूज आर वन्स, टेन्स, हंड्रेड्स अँड थाउजंड्स. ओके. सो टुडे वी स्टडी अबाउट द 4-digit number. So first of all I read the lesson, then we solve the questions about this lesson. The lesson. Please see in a book. A 4-digit number has a 4 places: thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. Already you know that the 4-digit number has a 4 places. 4-digit number has a 4 places: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Which place values? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay. So a 4-digit number can also be shown using an abacus. A 4-digit number can be also shown using an abacus like this. This is a abacus method. Okay. So numbers can be written in different ways. मग numbers जे आहेत ते different ways ने write केले जातात. When a number is written in digits is called the standard form. What is mean by standard form? Standard form means when a number is written in digits. Suppose the number is 2342. So it is called the standard form. The number is written in digits. Digits म्हणजे number मध्ये. The number is written in digits is called the standard form. Then when a number is written as the sum of the place values digits, when a number is written in a words, that is called the number name. Number name is like this: 2342. This is a number name. The number is written in a words, that is called the number name. And when a number is written as the sum of place values of the digits is called the expanded form. Expanded form means number is written in a sum of place values. Means that 2000 plus 300 plus 40 plus 2. Already you studied the expanded form in 3rd standard. Okay. So 2000 plus 300 plus 40 plus 2. This is called the expanded form. So see the question first. Draw an abacus in your notebooks and show the given numbers on them. Write the number name and expanded form of the numbers. So see the question number first. Students, this is a trigonometrical example. Therefore I write only answers on a blackboard. Please you write first of all question in textbook. जो टेक्स्टबुक मध्ये क्वेश्चन दिलेला आहे तो तुम्ही पर्यंत राईट करायचा आहे. त्यानंतर मी जे आन्सर लिहिते ते लिहायचं आहे. सो फर्स्ट आन्सर, ड्रॉ एन अबॅकस. अबॅकस ड्रॉ करायचा आहे. इन युअर नोटबुक्स अँड शो द गिवन नंबर्स ऑन देम. राईट द नंबर नेम अँड एक्सपांडेड फॉर्म ऑफ द नंबर्स. सो ए is a 423. First of all you look at the number and then you name the digit wise place values. Ones, tens and hundreds, because the number is 3-digit number. Okay, so how we draw the abacus method? First of all we draw the 3 lines. Okay, then here we write the ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, then the in ones place how many number? Which is a number? 3. So we draw the 3 bits. 1, 2, 3. Students, all students please see carefully because you already study about the abacus method in 3rd standard. Okay, so 3 bits. Then 2. On tens place number is 2. Therefore we draw the 2 bits. 2. Then 4. The in 100 place number is 4. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, then B is a 5241. Then we draw the abacus method. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds and thousand, means that this is a 4-digit number. Therefore we draw the 4 lines, 1, 2, 3 and 4. We give the names ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Okay, then we draw the bits. Here in ones place number is 1, therefore we draw the 1 bit. In tens place number is a 4, therefore we draw the 4 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4. In 100 place the number is 2, therefore we draw the 2 bits. 1, 2. In 1000 place the number is 5, therefore we draw the 5 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Understand? Then question number the question. Second, write the standard form. Sorry. In first number, write the number name and expanded form. So how we write the number name of this number? So number name is 423. 423. And then you ask the write the expanded form. So 400 plus 200 plus 3. Okay. Then in second question, the number name is 5,200 5,241. Okay. Then in and the expanded form is 5,000 plus 200 plus 40 plus 1. Then your number is 3,708. So number name is 3,708. And their expanded form is 3,000 plus 700 plus 00 plus 8. Okay. So today's homework of subject maths, solve question 2, 3, 4 and send me with a WhatsApp.